Hey everybody, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to tell you about 5 steps that you can take to post social media content more consistently. Now, whether you're new to social media marketing or someone who shares content already but finds that being consistent is really difficult, this video is going to give you a step-by-step process that's going to save you time, help you be more efficient, and let's face it, have less pain and less guilt about your content marketing. Now, the first step is brainstorming themes. You want to pull out a piece of paper, open a Google Doc on your computer, and you want to list all the topics that come to mind when you consider the products and the services that you offer. For instance, if you're a graphic designer, your list might look something like this: trends for 2022, or best font combinations, how to create a color mood board, great sources of low-cost stock photography, or low-cost design software, things like that. So you want to brainstorm until you run out of ideas. Make sure to consider sub-themes within those themes though also. Now, you don't want to forget your products and services, because while we want to offer value in our social media posts, we also have to consider promoting our products and services, because that's the marketing part of content marketing. You want to think about also all the frequently asked questions you get asked by clients or by other designers or other creatives, and you want to add them to the list. Another great resource is a site called Answer the Public. So if you're starting to come up dry towards the end, go to Answer the Public and enter a theme topic, and you'll get all sorts of additional ideas to add to your list. Step number 2 is you want to download a calendar. You want to download a blank calendar and add a theme to each week so you have a focus for that week. Google Docs has a whole series of great calendar templates that you can download and make copies of and use. Gantt charts are also a great format for social media planning. Some people like to have recurring post types for each day of the week. That would look like this. Mondays would be about top marketing tips, and Tuesdays could be news-related posts. Wednesday could be industry news. Thursday could be curated content articles or blog posts. And then Friday could be something personal or something human interest related. Having a theme for each day of the week makes it easier for your post planning. Step number 3 is use some sort of social media post scheduling software. These are softwares like Hootsuite, or I actually just started using an amazing program called Agora Pulse. Agora Pulse allows you to respond to comments from all your social media platforms in one place. You can also post to multiple social platforms by creating one single post, and then it populates it to all your channels. They're also building trackable links, so you're able to track the ROI of your posts or what posts are getting the most reaction and clicks. Agora Pulse's capabilities include scheduling to Facebook groups, Facebook pages, Twitter, LinkedIn pages, and also personal profiles, Instagram, YouTube, among many others. Also, if you're a social media marketing agency and happen to manage your clients' posts and their platforms and their engagement, Agora Pulse is an incredible platform for that sort of work. Step number 4 is you want to batch your content creation. For instance, when I started doing YouTube videos, I would write, record, edit, and post a video every single week. And after a period of time, I realized that was really inefficient. So I wrote videos and recorded 4 at a time, and then I would schedule them out to post. The more posts you create in one sitting, the quicker you're going to get at crafting your content. Set aside an afternoon, or in my case, a Saturday morning, and get into the swing of developing your social media. You'll find a rhythm, and in posting, it may go something like this. What's the theme? What's the kind of post that it is? Then you want to find the image, you want to find the reference link, you want to write all the text, and then you want to schedule it. Then you do this over and over, and if you get into a groove, you can become a really well-oiled machine at developing content. Step number 5 is a really important one. You want to repost posts or repurpose content. Unless your business is all about the absolute latest news, your social media can be repeated multiple times. Now, no one sees every single post that you do, so virtually no one is going to notice repeats. And you can also repurpose content across media platforms. So if you create a single video can be transcribed into a blog post, and then the audio can be used for a podcast. And then the video could be edited and cropped to become audiograms or TikToks or YouTube Shorts or Instagram Stories. And that's only one example. Once you've written your post for a quarter, and then posted them, you'll be able to reshare them. And all you have to do is add in more newsworthy ones for variety, or change up some of the text or some of the images to create some sense of newness. Now, the one thing that you want to remember about social media and content marketing in general is that unless it's strategically focused to return the results you want, you're basically wasting your time. So I wanted to take a moment and tell you about my signature course, Brand Strategy 101, that's now available on on-demand video. Brand Strategy 101 is a foundational course for creative pros and entrepreneurs who want to get started with brand strategy so they can sell bigger projects and increase the fees for the creative work you're already doing, but also to make sure that everything you're doing for your and your clients' social media and brands is strategically sound, so their marketing is the most effective it can be. And when you enroll in Brand Strategy 101, you're going to get immediate lifetime access to 7 modules of training, over 8 hours of instructional videos, 25 lessons in all. Plus, you're going to get 24 downloadable strategy tools and conversation guides that you can use directly and immediately in your business. So if you're ready to up your game and bulletproof your creative career, I encourage you to go check out Brand Strategy 101. Just go to philipvandusen.com/BS101 and enroll in Brand Strategy 101 today. And finally, if you like this video, please hit the subscribe button below, bang that notifications bell, and if you need help with your content marketing, your content strategy, your brand design, or your professional creative career, reach out to me at philipvandusen.com and let's see what we can do to get you to the next level. And with that, thanks again for watching. Bye for now.